In this video, I'll show you how you can install and set up Keywords Everywhere in just a couple of minutes so you can start quickly enjoying the tool today. So let's get started. Okay, on keywordseverywhere.com, you have the option to install this browser add-on for either Chrome or Firefox. So if you want to install this browser add-on for Chrome, you can click on the Install for Chrome button. It'll take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can install the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension. And if you want to install Keywords Everywhere for Firefox, just click on the Install for Firefox button and it'll take you to the browser add-ons page where you can install the Keywords Everywhere extension right here. So once you install the browser add-on, you'll notice the Keywords Everywhere extension icon on the top right-hand corner of your browser. Now the next step is for you to get your API key. So to get your API key, you can click on this link right here on the Keywords Everywhere website, or you can also click on the Keywords Everywhere extension and click on this green link, sign up for a new API key to purchase a subscription. So I'm going to click on this link and it takes me to the sign up for API key page. You then need to enter your email address below where Keywords Everywhere will email you the link to get your API key. So put your email right here and you will need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click on email me the API key. Once you click on this button, it'll take you to the next page that looks like this. The API key has been successfully sent by email. You can see this screenshot that will show you how the email will look like. Now, it can sometimes take up to 10 minutes to get that email. If you haven't received it within 10 minutes, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. And if you don't see it there, you can always click on this blue resend me the email button. Now, your email will look something like this. So once you get the email, just click on this link inside your email. When you click on that link inside your email, it'll take you to this page that has your API key. Next, just click on copy, then click on the Keywords Everywhere browser extension and click on the settings icon. And under API settings, this is where you add your API key. So paste your API key right here, then click on validate. When you click on the Keywords Everywhere extension again, you can see your email and how many credits you have left. Now, I already have a subscription, so I already have credits, but in your case, you will need to click on this green purchase a subscription link. Then you will get taken to this page where you can choose an annual subscription plan. So you can review the features for each plan and pick the one that's best for you. And if you scroll down, you can check out the frequently asked questions right here. So take a couple of minutes to review all of these questions and answers. So what does 1 credit mean? So 1 credit gets you the volume, cost per click, competition score, and 12-month trend data for 1 keyword. So for example, if you import 1,000 keywords into our bulk keywords data tool, you will use up 1,000 credits. So if you purchase the bronze plan, that'll take from the 100,000 credits you have. So it'll go down to 99,000 credits available for the remainder of the year. And how does credit expiration work? So once you purchase credits, they are valid for 1 year from the date of purchase. So you have an entire year to use your credits. And for user seats, you are allotted a specific number of user seats depending on which plan you have. So you can see the bronze plan has 1 user seat, the silver plan has 5, and then you can get up to 100 user seats for the platinum plan. So once you pick your annual plan, you are all set and you can start using Keywords Everywhere today. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next one.